each other. Come and have some fun. Oh, give me some of that. Oh, just that diesel. Oh, yeah. My favorite. Get out of there. How about these guys rocking it for energy suspensions? Get over here, Asian. Hey, Asian, fun truck. Yeah. Woo! Get over here. Get over here, fun truck. Come here. Right over here. Come on. Come on. All right, look, I gotta go to the fun truck. Awesome show. What's happening with energy suspension?
You know, man, SEMA's unbelievable. Every time I think it never can get any better. You guys do it every single time, and it's better and better and better every year.
This is the hottest guy in the industry. Asia, what's happening, baby?
It's amazing. 2015, best SEMA ever. Thank you, Joe.
Let's get arrested tonight. All right, Asian, energy suspension. Fun truck. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, baby, this is what it's all about. This is what it's all about.